My name is Alan Wallace, and I'm in the health and wellness niche. I heard of Beach Boss influencers through an ad on Facebook. I downloaded one of their free PDFs, and then I ended up signing up for the Influencer Beach and went through that material before I came to the Next Level workshop. As a technical person, I was pretty well in tune with a lot of the different things I needed to do, but what I didn't have is how to put them all together to make them work in a system. And I think this weekend has really helped me understand how everything works from point A to point B. My biggest takeaways from this weekend have been, one, on a personal level, just being able to come up with some breakthroughs on some areas that I was stuck, and then also a few techniques on how to transition leads into prospects and then prospects into my team. As a business owner of any kind, I am always all in. Actually, that's just how I am. I'm all in. I don't have a volume or a throttle. I'm either on or off. And when they offered the 7-figure influencer package, my thought was, let's speed this up. Let's go all in. I talk a big talk. Now it's time to walk that walk. I would absolutely recommend the Beach Boss influencers to other network marketers, and I would say it doesn't matter what level of experience you have in the industry. I started in the 1990s when there was no internet for all intents and purposes. So what they offer will not only bring you up to speed with current technology, but they'll continue to teach you the latest and the most valuable use of your time and how to really leverage that time and get the time freedom that all of us want.